I got a phone call from a plastic surgeon today, and he said, hey, you did a great job with one of my clients. I want to start referring more clients to you. And I know a lot of people who are doing post-op massage would like to get referrals from plastic surgeons. So let's go step by step on how this relationship started. So his client came to me for post-op massage after her surgery. And then I gave her a copy of my book, Plastic Surgery Recovery Handbook, and I took care of her. And then I sent a massage therapy care plan to her surgeon that had my information on it. So that's how the plastic surgeon knew how to call me. And my client gave a copy of the book to the surgeon. So when the surgeon called, he said, Kathleen, I would like to get more referrals for you. And I read your book and I really like it. So the things we need to focus on, the massage therapy care plan, which I give to each and every surgeon after each and every new client comes to see me. That shows that surgeon I'm a member of the care team. I am, open to communication with the surgeon and receiving any advice from the surgeon. I like to play as a group when we're working together to get this person the best post-op recovery they can. And the other one, of course, is the Plastic Surgery Recovery Handbook. So am I saying that you have to write your own book and publish it on Amazon? No, but it would be a great idea if you bought a copy of the Plastic Surgery Handbook, saw the kind of concepts and research that I was discussing in the book, and then use that as like a launching off point for your own social media, pulling content from the resources from the journal articles, sharing it on social media, and also potentially writing a shorter, 1-pager, 2-pager, your top 10 post-op tips from the post-op massage therapist that's personalized to you. And then that way your clients can give that resource to potential surgeons, and then plastic surgeons can call you too and get referrals for your business. I hope this helped. Have a great day.